If you're a tech enthusiast who's curious about programming, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to build your own website, create an app, or just understand how the technology around you works, programming is the key to unlocking these possibilities. Let's break it down together. Programming might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, anyone can learn it. Think of programming as a way to communicate with your computer. It's like learning a new language. But instead of speaking to people, you're giving instructions to a machine. Programming is like giving your computer a set of instructions, just like a recipe tells a chef how to cook a meal. Imagine you're a chef in a kitchen. You have a recipe that tells you step by step how to make a dish. In programming, your code is the recipe, and the computer is the chef following your instructions. But instead of ingredients, we use code. Code is the language we use to tell the computer what to do. There are many different programming languages, each with its own unique features and uses. First up, let's talk languages. Think of programming languages as different tools in your toolbox. Just like a carpenter has hammers, saws, and screwdrivers, a programmer has languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++. Each language has its strengths and is suited for different tasks. Here are a few to get you started. Python, super beginner friendly and used everywhere. It's great for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. JavaScript, perfect for web development. If you've ever interacted with a website, chances are JavaScript was involved. It's essential for creating dynamic and interactive web pages. C++, great for games. Many popular video games are built using C++ because of its performance and efficiency. And Java, essential for mobile apps. If you're using an Android phone, many of the apps you use daily are built with Java. Next, you need your workspace. Grab a code editor like VS Code or PyCharm. These are like your blank canvas where you can write and test your code. A good code editor will make your coding experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget a terminal to run your masterpieces. The terminal is where you can execute your code and see the results. Now for the basics. Variables store data, kinda like your school locker. You can put different things in your locker, and you can store different types of data in variables. Data types are different kinds of info numbers, text, lists. Just like you have different subjects in school, you have different data types in programming. Operators are your math tools. They help you perform calculations and manipulate data. Conditions help your code make decisions, and loops automate repetitive tasks. Ready to code? Try this print, "Hello World," in Python. This simple line of code will display the text, "Hello World," on your screen. Boom, your first program. Keep practicing with small projects like to-do lists or simple calculators. Join platforms like Codecademy or HackerRank and watch YouTube channels like Programming with Mosh. These resources